Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wayfair how to remove item from list. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you want to remove an item from a list on Wayfair, what you need to do is first head over and then open up your Wayfair app. Now once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now in order to remove an item from your list on Wayfair, what you need to do is select the option list on the bottom tab, and then here select the list that contains the item you want to remove. Now locate the item you want to remove, and once you have found it, tap on it, and on tapping you'll find the option remove or trash icon button next to the item. Simply select it and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully remove item from the list. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.